how to set a goal for 2023. Okay, be specific. One, be specific. Big goals are more difficult to achieve than specific ones. When setting a goal, be specific as possible. Okay, for example, instead of setting a goal to lose weight, just set a goal to lose 10 pounds by June. Do you understand? Instead of setting a goal to do 10 YouTube videos in a week, just set a goal to do about 5, something realistic. Okay. And number 2 is write your goals down. Writing your goals down will help you to remember them and keep them at the front of your mind. Okay, just get that paper you love or that textbook you love, write the things you want to do, and it will help you to keep track. Okay guys, welcome to my channel. On this channel I help serious minded people, most especially my gender, become financially independent, financially liberated through things around you. Okay, self-development, discovering yourself and knowing your self-worth. Call me a feminist if you want to, but I just want my ladies to be boss ladies and know their worth. So please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do. If you have already, thank you so much and thanks for coming back. Number 3, giving yourself a deadline. Giving yourself a deadline will help you to stay on track and also to be motivated to achieve your goal. Yes, this is very practical. Most big successful people you see do this a lot. Just try to give yourself a goal, because if you give yourself a goal, it helps you to actually put this thing or your goal in practice. Another thing I would love to say is for you to tell a friend, for you to tell somebody you wouldn't like to, let down, that this is what you plan doing. Okay, that will help you also to stay motivated, because you want to tell that person that you have said it and you're a man of your word or you're a woman of your word and you want to stick to it. That will also help you to achieve your goal. Make a plan. Once you have decided on your goal, just set a deadline. It is time to make a plan of action. This could include things like joining a gym, hiring a personal trainer, or cutting out processed food from your diet. Yes, making a plan is so much important. The strictness in making your plan, this is diet plan when you're about to lose your weight. That is the strictness of following your goal. Yes, because I use this training thing as an example, because if you're not focused on losing weight, you can't lose weight, right? So that is the way you want to plan as well to achieve your goal. Okay, number 5 here, which is everything and it's very underrated, but it's just the real deal. It's number 5 here is to tell others about your goal. Okay, telling others about your goal helps you to be accountable and motivated. Trust me guys, this is so real to achieve your goal. Okay, it helps you to be accountable and motivated to achieve your goal. You may even want to enlist something like that, like you may even want to enlist the help of a friend or a family member, just to help you to stay on track. Okay, use these tips and you can get smart. Use these tips, you can set smart goals for yourself and increase your chances of success in 2023. These things I put down also are the things I'm also going to apply, and I decided to bring it to your doorstep. So guys, maybe a bit surprised of this video I brought to your doorstep. Yes, this is a new dimension on my channel. I know possibly this is gonna some of my subscribers wouldn't love this, because this wasn't the reason they subscribed to my channel. Most of them subscribe to my channel to see lifestyle and things like that, but from time to time I might bring them in. But my channel is basically changing. If you see my channel banner, I said it specifically there that this channel is going to be self-development, being financially uplifted, especially for my women, and also vlog from time to time. So sorry if this channel is coming to be what you don't like anymore, but this is just what is going to make me happy, and I decided to start up this in 2023 and see where this channel takes us to. I'm going to be talking everything about finance, small business, big business, how to be financially liberated, how to just be independent. You think you have everything around you and you think you're better off to be staying at home, but hell no, you have to make your own money. Okay, I'm going to be talking a lot on the channel about this, and lots on self-development, how to be proud of yourself, how to be how to not let people put you down. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that is it basically, guys. Please stick around if you already subscribed. You're gonna like this version of me I'm bringing onto this channel. But if it's definitely not what you want, it's okay. It's okay. The space is so big. People that want this will definitely stick around. Thank you guys, and make sure you apply all these things you see now, because this is what I am applying and what I have tried to apply, and this is why I'm bringing it to your doorstep. Thank you for watching, and if you've not subscribed yet, please endeavor to do so and share this video as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.